Alright, just want to make a quick video here on the new fridge just received. You can kind of see from here, I'm not really standing too far above it. I'll turn it right back on. And you can't even see the controls at all, or the temperature. You have to really get down, and even when I'm at level with the fridge, you still can't see the controls at all. So if I get down on my knee, you can then look up into there and see them, but if you're standing level or even slightly above, you can't see the controls. So that's not the main issue here. And here, if you look at the controls, they're kind of tucked a little bit underneath this ledge here. The main issue, main problem, is this plate. This metal plate back here hangs out about an inch. And what that does is, when you put this tray in, you have it all the way back. This little tray guard here that keeps the drinks from going too far back, it doesn't do a good enough job. So what happens is, when you have your drink and you set it back, and you set all your drinks in there, they're actually tucking up against, whoops, let me turn my light back on. They're touching this plate. And what happens is, when these drinks here touch this plate at all on this shelf, these will freeze and explode. Can't tell you how many times this has happened so far, and I have to keep cleaning this entire fridge out because I couldn't figure out why the drinks would keep exploding. And it's because of this ledge, this shelf. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking this out completely, and I'm not using it at all. And that way nothing touches that back plate. And it's only that shelf. The shelf above it, the guard on the back of this protects the drinks, but when you're down here on this shelf, this ledge, nothing protects it from touching that back plate. So that is the major issue with this guy so far. It's a great fridge, keeps everything cool. It definitely cools down to 36 or 34 degrees. But yeah, besides that one shelf, highly recommend no one using it, especially if you're setting your temperature down that low. Otherwise, expect some frozen, exploding drinks. And that's it. Thank you.
I was looking at another fridge to buy, a larger fridge, and I found this one on my order history. I had this since 2019, and it is now March 2025. That's no issues whatsoever. What they mean by reversible, you see, you can just take this cap off, screw it in here. It's got the brackets for it. You use the same bracket, and the handles on both sides. Open it, right? Not much, but hit the light. And I haven't had one freaking issue since. Not one whatsoever. I love it.
This video is from about 5 feet away. Right on top of it. And down behind the wall, right up against it.
Get out of the fridge. Coda. Thank you.